Okay guys, I just got this in recently. It's colder than hell outside. Let's get this. This is the dishwasher, if you guys are wondering. I bought it online on Amazon.com. Let's see what we got. We got some wood, which could be useful for later if I need it. Basically, paneling, which I might reuse, actually, surprisingly or not. It's cardboard, basically. Take this off. Put that over there. Put this over here. Now, let's see what the condition of this is. Still brand spanking new. Pops down. I'll get to the next part very soon, but let's. Oh, it's cold in here, pretty bad. It's pretty warm now compared to what it was before. It's been inside for a little bit. Some paper mache. It's a little wet. They had tested it beforehand. Little pieces. They ran water through it. They have to run. Oh, it even comes with the main part, rack here. We'll go switch to the next part of the video where I have it basically right. Oh, and let's get this part done first. This is your little rack where you put your stuff in. If this breaks up here, it really doesn't matter. And I really have to clean this up before usage. Otherwise, see you in the next part. Okay, we got the settings right here. First, we have the power button. We can get that going. This is the lock it, so basically it probably does some locking. You can also choose the slow down time. Basically, look at the manual. And that's heavy. I think that's heavy wash, baby wash, but it doesn't mean baby bottles. It means it's more for delicate washing. I forgot what these others do, but they're like different settings. You read the manual. Like heavy, the last one, the big pot, is for heavy wash, and this timer tells you how long it's going to take. Like this is normal wash, so normal is for that. Baby is slower, easier to go. And if you want, you do save money by putting that in there. I haven't loaded this up, so you would hit this button to activate, but I have it all hooked up over there. If you're curious, does it come with one of these? Like, I did not know, so I ordered one. Like this metal part here, it does, but it all works with that. It's standard, and it does have a little thing in there to stop it. And yes, I unscrewed it here because this is actually just a feed and go in the water, because I did not want anything to go in my glasses if I'm using the dishwasher. Negative about this sucker is it doesn't have a water tank. Now, portable ones do have a water tank, so if you don't have to keep it connected. Now, not like the portable ones, which suck. You got this button where you could just click on here, pops on fast, or you can do this, let it loose down so you don't accidentally break it. Put some soap in here, and put some soap in here if you're really needing it. Put some little bit in here, put some in here. In here is your jet dry. You turn it. You put it in there. It also will have the ability to tell you if it's needing to fill. So you can check in there. And you also got strength for how much you want to use. It's like it comes automatically with a third on it. And that, I think there's a little button on the outside will tell you. And of course, if you have to do anything, you can always, when you're cleaning it, turn this around back here, pop that out and clean it. You can also get tablets you can buy from Walmart or Amazon. Recommend buying them, and I do have dishes which have to go in there. I'm going to run the dishwasher before the end of this video, and it's nice and it's kind of warm, and it's like negative is like positive outside, but really cold. It's warmed up. I'll run it very soon. See you in the next part. Okay guys, I got a load in here. I've ran this already 3 to 4 times. It does a really good job. We'll do another video part of it after it gets done later today, and it will take 2 hours and 35 minutes to do that. I'll do it very soon. Hey guys, sorry, this is not the same load as the last clip. I completely forgot. I've been using this this is probably, it's like halfway through the month already of January when I got it in December. Like at the beginning of January, and this runs off of water pressure. Let's say one of these fall down in there, that will stop it from spinning around. So if you have dirty dishes in here because it got dirty, it's because one of these literally fell down in there, and there's no heating elements in there. Here, heating elements are in there. And let's look at this. This dish was not clean when I first put it in there. This was dried on for overnight from macaroni and cheese hot dish. Oh, and not mentioning that there was cheese in the hot dish. I mean shredded cheese. It was looking like that at one time. And this stuff is all washed. This thing is extremely. Oh, and you can also find parts for this dishwasher online. So you can buy parts. And yes, I still have the sticker on there even after a week. I kind of got lazy. And just to verify, that's rust. That's not me painting from that. This thing is completely awesome. I don't know if I remember to say this. Put gel in here and gel in there. I've refilled this a couple times since the last part. This thing is awesome. And there are times you will be putting the dishes out. I recommend checking them. You may have a little spot which is so stuck on, you're gonna have to scrub it. Otherwise, it's an awesome dishwasher. It's not that expensive, and you can get black or white. If you prefer white, then buy white, but I'll go with the cheaper one of the two. And majority of dishwashers are made by the same company. If you're wondering what dish soap I'm running, this. You can't buy this normally. You actually have to have a subscription, or you can buy it on Amazon for full price, but I buy that for a deal because I have a membership with them. It's extremely good. I even have the dish soap, which I use. There's times where if you have dishes which are like from the oven, it gets messy every so often. If it's burnt on, soak it for a few minutes, like half an hour in hot water, then scrub it with a metal scrub pad, because this is going to be heavy duty anyways. Scrub it, get it cleaned off, then shove it in there. And I will also put a link to the description, and for the guy who wanted to know about this, sorry, I kind of forgot. I got so much to do. Bye.